Homeboy. Homeboy, like around last week or last 2 weeks, I'm about to when chat to homeboy. The guy on my kate call my nigga call. So much I say homeboy. Homeboy, I chum kaiga swimming. Kyotra. I'm just testing on WhatsApp. Such a kaiga swimming. The guy just say no problem. Which date? Chineke me. One way I say 28 or 30th. Yes, no problem. Mesa ngwa ịbịa kwa ịmaka akpọrọkwa ụmụ asala apụ ka ụtara nnidiri igwu mmiri na dịga ase wee mọchọ ga-emere ime chara agba m so homeboy nna chekwu homeboy Canada boy the guy date ga one girl or macham the guy mama the girl but ịnya wine na Canada omo homeboy Canada money celebrity homeboy dị too much but homeboy megidere ha ga date nwa Canada homeboy dị too much homeboy your swag na awụ n'ala homeboy you dey too much you dey woski so when you much homeboy we dey your back number dey your back on 30th or which date or 23rd I don't know we go turn up for swimming pool with my babes there me do too much homeboy I dey your back more show love from Lamba pass on the bottle water I got you.